and going down, and going down.
There's a modern flair to it, you know, styling modern flair to it, but it's also definitely very much 50s era. And the bike is from the 50s, it's a 1951. It started as a pile of parts, built or rebuilt from the ground up. The foundation, the guts, are all original Harley Davidson parts. Then all the other stuff is all custom or modified. The handlebars are one-offs, those are handmade. The exhaust pipes, those are custom. These are all handmade. Sissy bar is all handmade as well. I didn't set out really to do an era-specific thing. I just felt like I let the bike speak to me. I let sort of the pieces speak to me and how they kind of flowed and worked organically with each other on the bike. Still keeping in mind that whole, you know, that tangible connection to things, I guess, you know. I tend to build bikes that are understated. There's a risk in it. Maybe the risk is that people don't notice things, and it takes a little bit more time to really dig deep and appreciate what's in the bike or what's gone into making the bike. That's probably a metaphor for life and knowing people. It's like you got to take the time to really dig deep and see things, and you know, and maybe in some personal way, that's why I build the way I build things, is because it takes time to really know people and to really get to the root of things, who they are.